Today, we'll be taking a look at the terminal block on this GE electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. We've accessed the rear of the unit, and to begin, we have to remove this cover plate that is holding in your cord and covering your terminal block. It is held on by 1/4 inch screw here. Just take that off, pull out on the cover plate, and set it to the side. Now that we have the cover removed, we have clear access to the terminal block here. The main reason why you would need to access this component would be if the unit will not heat or start. A lot of times what I'll find is I'll take the cover off and find that this is burnt up. If this is the case, it will need to be replaced. To begin, we have to take off the screws on the block that hold on the actual power cord. They're all Phillips. Take them off one at a time, and they should come with that nut. Then we'll take off our 1/4 inch ground strap and go ahead and pull out on the power cord. Set this to the side. Then, to go further, we have to remove the center screws on the terminal block. Use a Phillips, loosen these up and remove them. Use a tack puller or something to pry off the terminals from the terminal block. Remove the block and set it to the side. When installing your new terminal block, let's start by reinstalling the wiring. We'll put the red on the top, white on the middle, and black on the bottom. Slide those in. Next, let's go ahead and slide our black Phillips screws through the mounting holes. Line it up, and let's start to reinstall the screws. Next, let's go ahead and either install a new power cord or your old power cord. And since this one is a 4-wire, let's go ahead and reinstall the ground strap first. Then I want you to use a hand screwdriver to install the wiring, or at least to get it started. So first, make sure your nut is on the screw. Let's put it on the screwdriver. And sometimes these can be a little difficult to thread. So I don't want to jam them with the drill. Let's start it by hand and then tighten them up this way. Once we have these all on and secure, we can go ahead and reinstall the back plate. What you'll want to do is bring in these 2 hooks, and they have holes on the back side. Swing it forward, reinstall your screw, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.